guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Sandra, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I've created this holiday glam makeup look. It's a very simple and easy makeup look, but perfect for the Christmas season. And another cool thing is that there is no eyeshadow included, no false lashes, and I've used only drugstore makeup products, so it's a very affordable makeup look. And to get you a little bit in this Christmas mood, I won't speak in this video, there will be no voiceover. I will just lay over of course, a Christmas song or Christmas songs, depending on how long this video will be. Just to celebrate Christmas a little bit and to get you into this Christmas mood. And before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because we are so close to 400 subscribers and it would be amazing if you could help me to reach this goal. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell that you get notified when I'm uploading a new video. And now, without further ado, let's get started.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. That I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We're stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh.
So guys, now you've seen how I've created this makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I wish you an amazing day and Merry Christmas. Bye.
Wishing all a Merry